Trillions of dollars get spent online every single year, so it should be a no-brainer to make your share of passive profits just by being in the right place at the right time, right? Think again. Hi, on behalf of Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bavra, I'd like to welcome you to this page. And I hate to break it to you, but passive income isn't as simple as many gurus and systems would have you believe. Even though passive profits sound great, and we've all seen those words plastered on all sorts of methods, what happens when you look inside? You find out you're in for a boatload of work and effort up front before you stand even the slightest chance of making a dime. Push-button profits usually mean months and thousands of dollars building an email list, then learning how to write effective email copy. Free traffic often involves creating videos, setting up multiple social media accounts, and spending hours posting on forums and blogs. Quick results translates to paid ads and traffic, meaning super high risk with zero guarantees of rewards. Look, we've been in the online space for years and have yet to find a truly effective solution for making passive income. After chasing all the shiny buttons and high-priced solutions only to be disappointed time after time, we started from scratch. Our journey took us light years away from the standard internet marketing space. What we found were websites making incredible amounts of money completely passively. The result of our search? Viral AdSense websites that are absolutely killing it with passive income. Here are just a few examples. Dig makes over $26,666 per day in passive profits. Mashable earns over $15,000 in daily income. TechCrunch drives in over $14,000 in daily revenues. And Viral Nova banks close to $13,000 per day in automated income. As hard as we tried, we couldn't find a single traditional internet marketing website that came even close to these kinds of daily profits. How do these sites do it? In a completely different way than most online methods ever teach. By passively monetizing sites people actually want to visit. The huge majority of internet users go online to check out the latest trends and updates that matter to them. Even though social media is popular, top viral sites generate massive amounts of traffic. Face it, people across the world are addicted to the latest updates on news, politics, entertainment, sports, name the topic, and millions of people are searching for it online. So instead of pushing people towards offers like 99% of online marketers do, top viral sites naturally attract traffic just by giving people what they want and make 100% passive profits when visitors click on ads and offers. Zero hard selling, zero pressure. It's the ultimate set and forget profit model. So what if your site isn't as popular as BuzzFeed, Viral Nova, or Sporkle? How the heck are you going to profit? Simple. Welcome to AdSense Engine, your solution for 100% passive profits with automated, self-updating, and monetized sites with the traffic built in. AdSense Engine takes an entirely different approach to profiting online. Instead of chasing internet users, it attracts them by offering people content they're hungry for. The software creates you multiple niche viral sites on topics of your choice. Create complete viral quizzes, trivia, and other exciting content in just a few clicks so you don't have to write a single word of content ever. Then lets you monetize your sites completely passively with ads, banners, affiliate offers, and more, exactly like the top viral sites do. You can set up multiple sites, and each comes optimized for search and social traffic to effortlessly diversify your income. And included is a proven standalone cloud-based traffic software that drives floods of targeted visitors to your monetized sites, backed by over 48 months of results. No need for paid ads or any of the other tedious tasks to drive traffic. This is set and forget. To make AdSense Engine truly passive, we've built in a viral traffic technology. Set your sites up one time, and you'll constantly drive 100% free traffic with the latest posts shared on different networks and never have to lift a finger. Dozens of marketers from all backgrounds have tested the software. Their results are off the charts, and you'll hear from them in their own words below. To make AdSense Engine an even easier decision, we're including multiple bonuses to maximize your results that are only available during this limited launch. The entire AdSense Engine package and traffic system are being offered for a steep discount for a very short time. Your low one-time investment is completely covered by a 100% money-back guarantee. Get results or get your money back. It's that simple. So check out the complete details below, then lock in your license at this incredible discount, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the inside.